Hey friends, if you encounter the error where the ChkDsk scan is stuck at a particular percentage or hangs at some stage, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now what happens basically? So you performed a ChkDsk scan, you rebooted your system, and it's stuck at 67% or 68% or 26% or any fixed percentage. What should you do in that case? So the main answer is wait, it's normal. If it is stuck at 68%, it's taking half an hour, it's normal. Okay, this happens, it's taking 45 minutes, it's normal. This is what happens. So you can wait. But if it doesn't happen after many hours, in that case, you can restart your computer and try the following two solutions. So the first solution will be a disk cleanup. Why? Because there may be some stuck temporary cache files which will cause the problem, which will cause it to get stuck. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Okay. Then check all of these boxes here. Click on yes, sorry, click on OK and then click on delete files. And the next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.